Hello, how are you? I hope you're fine and you're okay. It's another good day that the Lord has made for us, and I would like to take you through algebra. As I told you earlier on, algebra is a very wide topic, so I want you to pay attention and observe everything that will be directed. Now, I want us to proceed from where we stopped last time on simplifying algebraic expressions. When simplifying algebraic expressions, we have two different ways, whereby some of them we have simple ways that, like I have I've written the questions here. Then there is another way that I will teach later. Now, for today, I want us to look at the questions that I left. I gave a few questions, and I would like to go through them. Now, the very first question reads 3m into bracket, that is simplified, 3m into bracket 2m plus 4. Now, as I said earlier on, that the very first step when simplifying this kind of a question, you always start by opening the bracket. So we shall start by opening the bracket. And while opening the bracket, I clearly said it out that you always pick the number outside the bracket, multiply by everything inside the bracket. And in this case now, we shall have this number which is outside the bracket, and this is 3m. So we pick 3m and multiply by the first one, which is now 2m. That is the first one. Then the second one, we pick the 3m again. So we have an addition sign there. So 3m multiply by the second one, which is multiply by 4. Now, when you pick 3m times 2m, the rule that we say during multiplication of algebraic expressions, you only multiply the coefficients. So when you take 3 times 2, you will get 6. But m times m, I said when you multiply similar algebraic terms, you raise them into power, depending to the number of times that the algebraic term have been raised. So m times m gives you m squared, then plus, here we have 3 times 4 gives you 12, and then we have m to give you 12m. Look at 6m squared and 12m. They are different things here. So you can never come and take 6m squared plus 12m, as most of you have been doing, and then they were saying 18m. This is m squared, this is m. So you can never combine different or unlike terms. So the answer for question number 1 was 6m squared plus 12m. Number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 reads, simplify 3/4 into bracket 12w plus 20x plus 2 into bracket w plus x. So in this case, whereby now you have 2 brackets, I say when you have 2 brackets, you will start by opening the very first bracket. So we will deal with the first bracket. The first bracket. In the first bracket, we have 3/4 into 12w plus 20x. So when opening the first bracket, we shall pick the number outside the bracket, which is now 3/4 multiplied by the first one, which is now 12w. That is the first one. We have an addition sign. Then again 3/4 multiplied by 20x, like that. So when you simplify this one by 4, you will get 1. When you simplify this one by 4, you will get 3. So when you pick 3 times 3w, you will get 9w. That's like that. Plus, then if I simplify by 4, 1, and by 4, I will get 5. So 3 times 5x gives you 15x. This is the result for the very first bracket. So the first bracket gives us 9w plus 15x.
Then I say from there, you will go on and open the second bracket. Let us open the second bracket. So the second bracket. For the second bracket we have 2 into bracket W, which is a positive. I say the second bracket is where the problem comes. So this one is a positive, remember. Positive 2. Then W plus X. I say, let me repeat myself again and make it clear, that when opening the second bracket, you are supposed to pick the number with its sign. So back now here we have positive 2. So in this case, we will open the bracket and have positive 2 multiplied by W. That is 1. Then again this positive 2. So here we don't put this sign here. So we open another bracket. We have positive 2 multiplied by this x. This x is a positive, so times positive x. Now, if you take 2 times w gives you 2w. But this one we have 1 negative, so you have to put it there. Then we have 2 times x gives you 2x. Positive and positive. They are the same, so they form a positive. So the result for the second bracket is 2w plus x. And then from there I say you will have now to combine the first bracket and the second bracket. I go on and combine. And when combining, I will take the result for the first bracket, which is 9w, then plus 15x. The second bracket we have gotten positive 2w and positive 2x. After you combine them like this, you go on now and pick the like terms together. The like terms together. I said like terms. The like terms I will start with w. So we have 9w. Another w is 2w. The sign of 2w here is a positive. So plus 2w like that. Then x. We have this 15x which is a positive. Positive 15x. 2x is a positive also, plus 2x. So 9w plus 2w, you will get 11w. Then positive 15, positive 2 gives you positive 17x. And this is the result for question number 2. The result for question number 2 is 11w plus 17x. Question number 3, as you can see, 4 into 6f plus 2g, that is the first bracket. Then the second bracket you have negative 3 into 4f minus 8g. So because we have 2 brackets there, I say I will start by opening the very first bracket. So the first bracket. In the first bracket we have 4 into 6f plus 2g. Now opening this one, we will have to pick 4 multiplied by 6f, that is the first one. Then we have a positive plus, then again 4 multiplied by 2g. Someone will ask him or herself, why am I not picking this positive sign like I'm doing, I did in the second bracket? This is because the very first bracket does not have any problem. The problem comes in opening the second bracket. Now, 4 times 6f gives you 24f plus 4 times 2g gives you 8g. So this is the result for the first bracket. After opening the first bracket, I go on and open the second bracket. I open the second bracket. The second bracket. The second bracket here we have negative 3. I have to pick that one with its sign. negative 3 into 4f minus 8g. So when opening this one, I will have to pick negative 3 multiplied by 4f, that is the first one. Then the second bracket, I won't write this time because I said in the second, when opening the second bracket, you pick every number by its sign. So we have the same negative 3 multiplied by negative 8g. So let us multiply. 3 times 4f gives you 12f. But look at this. We only have one negative. So we put that negative in front there. Then if you take 3 times 8 gives you 24g. But we have this negative and this negative. So when you take a negative times a negative, it will form a positive. And I gave you a simple rule that when the signs are the same, they form a positive. When they are different, they form a negative. That is during division and multiplication only. So this is the result for the second bracket. So while opening the second bracket, I have gotten 12f plus 24g. So up to that point now, I can go on and combine them now. Combine the first bracket. I go on and combine. I will combine the first bracket and the second bracket. The result for the first bracket we have 24f plus 8g. The result for the second bracket we have this one, which is negative 12f plus 24g. After combining them, I now collect the like terms together. After combining, I collect the like terms. These are, I collect the like terms. Look at the like terms. The like terms here we start with f. The first one we have 24f. Another f is this 12f. This 12f is a negative. So minus 12f. That is like that. Then we go to g. We have this one as positive 8g, then another g is positive 24g. Now, if you pick 24f minus 12f, gives you 12f. Then plus 8g plus 24g gives you 32g. So the result or your final answer is 12f. Sorry. The final answer becomes 12f plus 32g, as you can see. Question number 4. I will have to open the very first bracket, as you can see the question here. So we have, in the first bracket, we have 2 into 3a minus 6b, like that. So when opening the first bracket, I will have to pick 2 times 3a, like that, then minus 2 times 6b, like that. So 2 times 3a gives you 6a, minus 2 times 6b gives you 12b. The result for the first bracket is 6a plus 12b. When we go on and open the second bracket, the second bracket, in the second bracket we have negative 4 into this negative 4 into 2a, as you can see, plus 4b. So as we said earlier on, the number outside the bracket multiply everything inside the bracket. So we shall have negative 4 multiplied by 2a, like that. Then again, negative 4. That's why the second bracket I'm introducing just brackets. So negative 4 multiplied by positive 4b. Negative 4 times 2a gives you negative 8a. Why do I say negative 8a? We only have one negative. Then, if you take 4 times 4 gives you 16b. But look at this, positive and negative. And I have said, when the signs are different in multiplication, they form a negative. So the result for the second bracket is negative 8a minus 16b. Then from there, I will go on to the next step, which is doing what? Which is combining. So I go on and combine them. I start with 8. We have 6a, the very first bracket, minus 12b. Then we have negative 8a, that is the second bracket, minus 16b. So from there, after combining them like that to form one expression, I will now pick the like terms. I will go on a step further and pick the like terms. Like terms we have 6a, this one. Then another a is negative 8a. Look at is 8a, negative. Then b, we have negative 12b. And then followed by negative 16b. So I will deal with this one first. And then I will deal with this one first. Then I will go on and deal with that one. So 6a minus 8a. 6 is smaller than 8. So the positive is smaller than 8. So the result should be a negative. So if it is a negative, you now take 8, you now reverse them. 8 minus 6, you will get to 8. But here we have the first number is a negative, the second number is a negative. So if the two numbers are negative, you add them and your answer should be a what? A negative. Because we will introduce a bracket there and then change that sign. So if you take 12 plus 16, you will get 38. But this 38 is a negative, so negative 38ab. So this one you can go on. This is the answer. But again, you can be given multiple choices whereby they would put this one. So if the two are negatives, I want you to understand this. If the two are negative, just put negative 1 and then introduce a bracket. Because I said in algebra, we don't write 1. So negative 1, then you will change the second sign. So you have 2a, change this second sign to be a positive, that ab. This answer and this answer is the same thing. So the answers are the same. So when you start by writing a negative and then you introduce a bracket, the second sign must change. That is question number 4. Question number 5. We have 1 over 8m multiplied by this 64. This 64 must be a fraction to be over 1. Any whole number is always over 1. So I will just simplify by 8. 1 and by 8 gives you 8. So m times 8 gives you 8m. And this was the answer for question number 5, like that. Question number 6.
20.
3 over 4u plus a half u minus 1 over 16. Now this one we don't have a bracket. So we shall go on and add the like terms only first. We start by adding the like terms. So we will start by dealing with like terms, whereby we have 3/4 u plus a half u. So this is like we are adding what? We are adding fractions. So you will have to find the LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 gives you what? Let me find the LCM because LCM of 4 and 2. So we have 4 and 2. We use prime factors. So the smallest prime factor there is 2. 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. Then finally, the next one will be 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. This one is already done. So together, CM, the LCM will be now 2 times 2, giving you 4. So this one, the LCM there is 4. So 4 divided by 4 gives you 1. 1 times 3u gives you 3u. Then plus 4 times 2, 4 divided by 2, sorry. 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. 2 times 1 gives you 2u. And as a result, you will find this one gives you 5 over 4. 5 over 4u. But if you can look at this one clearly, this one is improper. So I will have to change this improper into mixed fraction. So when I want to change the improper fraction to mixed fraction, I pick the numerator, which is now 5. I divide by the denominator. 5 divided by 4 goes 1 time because of 4. When you minus that, you will get 1 as the remainder. And this one will now have to be our whole number. So the result for that one gives you one whole number and then 1 over 4u. So because we only have 1t, which is 1 over 6, our final answer now will be 1 1/4 u minus 1 over 6 t. And that is our final answer. Now, the last question we have, the first bracket, we open the first bracket whereby we have 2 into 3m minus n. So when opening the first bracket, pick the number outside the bracket multiplied by everything inside the bracket. In this case, 2 times 3m, like that. Then minus again 2 times n. So 2 times 3m gives you 6m minus 2 times n gives you 2n. So the result for the first bracket is 6m minus 2n. From there we go on to the second bracket. The second bracket. The second bracket. In the second bracket we have, this one is a negative and no number. I say, if we only have a negative, you must now introduce negative 1. You must introduce that 1 into now 4m minus 2n, like that. So from there we open the bracket here. It will be negative 1 times 4m. Then followed by again the second bracket, negative 1 times negative 2n, like that. So negative 1 times 4m gives you negative 4m. Then 1 times 2 gives you 2n. Look at this. The two are the same, so they form a positive. So the result for the second bracket is negative 4m plus 2n. From there, we go on to the next step, which is combining them. Let us combine. We combine the first bracket. The first bracket and the second bracket. The first bracket we have 6m minus 2n. The second bracket you have negative 4m plus 2n. So, after combining them, we go on to the next step, which is collecting the like terms together. We collect the like terms. The like terms here we have 6m, another m is 4m. But this 4m is a negative, minus 4m. Now we go to n. And we have one is negative, another one is a positive. So we start with the positive one, which is positive 2n, and then followed by negative 2n. We start with this one first, and then we shall deal with that one. 6m minus 4m gives you 2m.